Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2004 BMW Z4. Stock number is A7709A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Taking a look in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this BMW on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.